Hi, I'm Margaret, and today I'm making puffed cream hearts. I'm using puff pastry for this. You can either use ready-made or you can make it. And I've got a recipe for this. I'll pop it up in the corner here for you. Well, the first job is to roll it out. Puff pastry has to be quite cool, so it's nice to take it straight from the fridge and roll it if you can. It needs to be quite thin. And I've got a couple of heart cutters here. One fits just inside the other with about a ½ centimetre gap. First let's cut those large hearts. Try to get as many as I can out of this sheet of pastry. And then with the second little heart, I'm just going to make a little indent. That's going to help me with the pattern later on when I decorate the top. Quite carefully into the middle of each one. Then we can remove the rest of the pastry. And so that these get lovely and golden brown, I'm going to sieve a little bit of icing sugar on top. They'll be gorgeous and sweet too. I don't want to skimp with the icing sugar. There needs to be plenty. And then onto the baking tray. And the baking paper is quite important here. With the icing sugar, they might just stick onto the baking tray without it. So there we go. Now to make sure these don't puff up too much, I'm going to give them a little bit of a weight on top. A bit of baking paper and another little tray. And here they are out of the oven. So while they cool, I'm going to mix a little bit of cream cheese with a generous portion of jam. And I'm using raspberry today. It won't take long to mix. I don't want to overmix this, or it will become far too runny. That should do. Okay, time to decorate. I've chosen today to cut them down the middle and to use whipped cream. I want it to be seen at the sides, so let's put that right round the edges. And then a little bit of the cream cheese filling in the middle. That will taste lovely. Pop on the top. And cream again on the top, just around the edge. And then jam in the centre. I've heated the jam up just slightly, so it's a little runny. And it should make quite a nice little heart in the centre. How about that for Valentine's Day? Thanks for joining me today. Take care, and I'll catch you soon.